Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing some more Skechers streetwear. I've done that quite a bit. I'm sure you can check out my channel, there are a bunch of other videos. Today we're going to be unboxing the Crowder-Colton in the colors black gray, men's 10.5. They're obviously Skechers streetwear, air cooled, memory foam, blah blah blah, all this stuff. Now I bought these shoes on a website called Zalando, which is a Central European or European generally fashion retailer, and they sell shoes and clothes and so on. And I paid around $74 US, and I'm gonna put a link down in the description for the Amazon article. But you can also buy this shoe on for example the Skechers website itself. Alright, away with the box, and here we go. We can see the shoe in this black/gray with a, almost looks white here, but it's like a dark or like a light gray foam down here, and then the sole is all the way black. Alright, let's begin with this shoe. As I just said, black sole, hard rubber. Here where you step, like where your toes are, a little bit more grip, and then the foam here on the side is a bit softer. This is probably the most unreliable part of your shoe, because it gets stains easily because it's the brightest part. But you can also clean this one easily. Let's see, all the way around. And then in the front it's just black from the sole. And then here on the side we have kind of leather. It has a leathery feel to it. Obviously it's not real leather. At Skechers they don't use real leather, at least for these shoes, I guess. And then you have this Skechers logo. Is kind of hidden. It's not as visible. Even with a lot of light here in the studio, you can barely see that it says Skechers. And then the back, oh yeah, it says even here, look, it says vegan. Oh wait, with these ones it says vegan, yeah, on both sides. And yeah, then here in the back you have this normal shoe lace here in the back. And then you have this. I'm not exactly sure what this is for. First it looked kind of like something to hang your shoes, but who needs that? Maybe it's just a stylish accessory. And then the other side looks like this, fairly similar without the logo on this side. So this is the inside of the shoe. Just had to check. And then another piece of kind of fake leather with these holes. And then you have the front, kind of foamy, or like a net in a way, and yeah, pretty light net here. Then the shoelaces here, they are elastic shoelaces, and another Skechers logo with a bit of lace on top of here to hang it somewhere, or to, you know, to get into the shoe. Now this shoe doesn't have proper shoelaces, because you can see here you can't tie your shoelaces. You have to kind of slip into the shoe. You can hold here to like help open it, and you just have to make sure that these shoelaces aren't too loose. But I guess if you're wearing it and it's maybe like this, then they aren't as loose, I would say. And then inside you have the Goga mat here on the side. It says Goga mat arch for the inside of your foot. And in here, of course, Skechers relaxed fit air cooled memory foam. All the Skechers I would say nonsense that they have in their shoes, which is good. Nonsense in a good way. And then you have this seam here all the way around, yeah, Alright, and the same exactly for the other shoe too, and that's how they look next to each other. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing, and yeah, if you did, also leave a like. That would help me out a lot. Check out my other videos on my channel, and as said, link is in the description for the Amazon website. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.